Hello friends, you need a perfect website for your business, and a perfect website can be made with a wisely chosen WordPress theme. WP Themes channel makes it easier for you. And if you are looking for a great multi-purpose WordPress theme, this video is for you. In this video, I have Kata WordPress theme, which is really a wonderful multi-purpose WordPress theme, and you can create your website in real time just like a graphic design software as a Sketch, Adobe XD, etc. So Kata is a theme that comes with 100 plus demos, and it has been made with the Elementor WordPress plugin, that is Elementor page builder. And Elementor is so trending nowadays that every theme needs to be on Elementor, as people are thinking, but it is not like this. So Kata is a WordPress theme that is going to suit every category need of business, and it has 100 plus pre-made websites that are categorized in different segments, that is corporate, app and health, magazine, lifestyle, interior design, hotels, and similarly. So no area of business is going to be skip from the approach of the Kata categorize theme. And actually, so I am also going through all these things. So there are some pro and free version available in the theme. It is a great thing that some free version of themes are also available, so you can use those free version as well. However, it actually depends on your business category, on your target category for which you are going to make your website, and for what purpose you are making your website. So every segment is covered in the Kata theme, and you can see. So I am going to add the link of this demos and all such things in a single link format given in the description of this video. And if you are coming on this channel at very first time, you may please subscribe this channel, because this channel brings the hand-picked and perfectly selected WordPress themes, plugins and utilities for you. And the purpose of this video being a very simple approach that it is going to make your buying decision easier, so that you may know the theme features, you may understand the quality of theme and plugins that you may buy, and through which you can make your website. So okay, wonderful. So we are going to install Kata WordPress theme in this video, and we will also create a demo website like any of these. Any of these can be our target website, and we will preview the theme options, customization options and all such things. So be with me till the end of this video, and let us begin to understand the features, the quality of Kata WordPress theme. First of all, let us know about the developers. So Kata comes with a very advanced documentation, and yes, so everything is available. Kata is multi-purpose WordPress theme that allows you to create any kind of website you can possibly imagine. So this is a basic and fundamental introduction. Okay, so if we talk about the developers, the Kata has been developed by the Climax Themes, and the theme is actually new, and it was just made on 31st July. So release date was 31st July, and the regular updates for this theme is also being done. So you can consider this theme as most updated and the latest release versions, because it is itself a new development and it has been made with Elementor, and it is compatible with the WooCommerce latest version and the WordPress latest versions, that is WordPress 5.8, WooCommerce 5.1 and 2x. So the latest version is already supported. So this is going to be a good catch if you are willing to make a website using any multi-purpose theme to match your business category. And Keta is a WordPress theme to match almost all business category. So it is nothing like that, and you are going to make a suitable website for you. Okay, so let us begin the installation. I have a fresh installation of WordPress, and it is running 2021 WordPress theme by default on the latest version of WordPress, that is 5.8.1. and I got the theme pack. In the theme pack I have licensing. So all plugins, all additional add-on plugins has been given in the theme pack itself. It is again a good thing that the theme pack consists with all the necessary plugins that is required for this theme. And the documentation has been given, documentation link, the main theme file and the chat theme file is here. So we shall be using keta.zip file, and we may use some plugins in order to direct installation, and plugins can be installed directly as and when required. So all plugins are available. To install the theme, we have to go in the appearance section of WordPress and click on themes and add new, upload theme, choose file, and here we need to choose keta.zip. Remember, the file which you need to choose is keta.zip. And if you are having direct access on your server, you can upload the same file directly to WP content themes folder. It is being an easier method. However, you can use this WordPress interface, but it does not works every time. So the better approach can be to upload the theme directly if you are having direct access on your cPanel or file manager or FTP. So I am doing the same. I actually wish to show you the theme file size, and theme is really well optimized. It is just having 1.44 MB in size. It is really amazing optimized theme and a lightweight theme, you can say, and it is going to work very fast on your website as well. Once the progress bar turns green with 100%, we can go back and extract the uploaded file, and the extraction outcome is this keta folder in which we got all the theme folders files. Now we can delete the zip one, it is not required. And since we have uploaded the theme, we can check the theme. Yes, it is available along with the default theme. Keta is available now, and we can check the details. This is Keta version 1.1.6, and it has lots of different features of this theme has been developed to make a smooth user experience for users. So this is some introduction again, and we can activate it. So upon activation, we got a very easy alert that we need to install plugins first. So let us begin installing plugins, and only 2 plugins has been given by default. So Keta Plus, so it has been developed by developer itself, and Elementor is another plugin. So let us first install these 2 plugins. And rest of plugins we will activate manually, that has been given in the theme pack. Let us first activate the Elementor and Keta Plus. So both plugins has been installed and activated. And this is permalinks. Okay, so you can save the change. It is on post name. So remember, if just in case you have any trouble while importing the demo content, you can keep the permalink at plain selection. However, it should be on post name. It is correct. And we got a Kata tab here, and okay, so Kata is available here, and now it is, and the feature is bit different when I am clicking. So these are some pro options and theme activation. First of all, it is here, and we can Kata theme activation. Thank you for choosing Kata theme. And okay, so knowledge base, Ratus, Kata community, Elementor templates, appearance, to settings, and again we have to go on the dashboard. So I am also exploring along with you. In fact, nothing is hidden in my videos, so I'm just checking what we got. After theme installation and demo importer, it's another option which is available. So it is, of course, it is not a difficulty to choose the available demos, and I believe this is not a pro version. So I just click randomly on the business, and it needs, okay, so during the installation of demo, and during the installation of demo of any selected layout, the required set of plugin will be installed. So we don't need to install the all plugins manually. So only two are most basic plugins that is required for this theme, and we have already installed two plugins, and rest will be installed during the demo installation. So yes, we have all the options to select any demo as per our requirement and need. So everything is here, and it is, the number is 118. So there are 68 pro and 22 fast and 28 free demo is also available. So it is great, you can choose from any and as per your requirement. So all is here only. So I am choosing to install the very first one, that is the main demo, and since we are just overviewing the theme options and everything and the process, so I am choosing the very first one. You can choose any. So I am just simply clicking on the main and import, and now the import of main is going to begin, and that needs an additional plugin called Contact Form 7. So I'm just installing install and activate all plugins. So it is only one, that is Contact Form 7, and it is being installed. Installing Contact Form 7 is taking some additional time. So what I'll do, I'll just cut this option and simply install the plugins directly, and Contact Form 7 is always available, so it is not a challenge. So it should be available. So I'm installing this plugin directly just to fulfill the requirement of plugin set, and I'll go back to the, okay, so it has been installed and activated as well. So I am coming back to the demo importer of Kata and clicking again to the main and import. Okay, so plugin has been installed, and there is some warnings. There are some minor issue. Your server configuration did not pass the Kata requirements for getting the best results. Current PHP version is this, and we recommend it to be current memory limit is 40 M, and okay, so I will fix both of these alert, and I have shown you this in another video, how to handle this PHP requirements and the memory requirements. So I'll show you again in this video as well. Let us proceed to upgrade this all requirement. So I'll go to the control panel, and this is cPanel, of course, so you should have control on this, and I am selecting multi PHP, and this is instance 1, and it is showing PHP 7.4 somehow, but and all sets like memory limit is 512 here, and it is saying, so okay, it is talking about the WordPress memory limit, and it is willing it is required to have PHP 7.4, and okay, so PHP 7.4 we can select from another PHP setting. Multi PHP manager can help, and it is 7.4 already, but what I'll do, I'll increase it EI, so I am making it PHP 8.0, and yes, so I just made the instance. Okay, so to get the main domain is also okay, so I'm just working with the 8.0, the higher version, and the next requirement was the PHP. So I have two line of code to define the WordPress memory limit. So by default WordPress has 40 M memory, and we can increase this by simply editing the wp config file, and I have shown this in my another video. You can find that on this channel only, but it is simple, and what I'll do, I'll edit the wp config here, and don't use these credentials, it is just for demonstration. So you have to use same line of code, and here you can put this line of code if you are getting the same alert. So that's all, stop editing. So we can put the cool line of code here, and it is PHP max memory limit 256 M, and what it is asking, it is asking to 512, so we will make it 512. So simply save this. Okay, let us refresh this page, and if it is working, and I am again clicking on import now, so alert should be gone, and current memory is change it to 40 M to 512 M. Why it is so? So I am going to put the memory limit line as well. So I have this define memory limit, and so you may also have such alert. So this is why I am showing you how to handle this, and now I have made it as 512, and again clicking on import. Yes, so now the alert has gone, and we have modified the memory limit and the PHP requirements, and now we have to select what actually we want to import at our website. So I'm simply selecting all, because being a new website I need everything. So let us proceed towards import, and now the screen is saying nothing, but the download option is disabled now, and I believe so downloading is going on. Okay, so yes, it is showing on screen now, and the progress bar is telling you everything what is going on behind the screen. And it is good that progress bar is here, and download files, import pages, and everything is complete, and import sliders. And so it was so simple to import the demo content, and it is now saying visit website. We will simply visit the website. Okay, so it was so simple. And so let us compare with the demo, main demo, what actually we got. I believe so sliders are not here. This is being the main demo. Okay, so except slider we got everything. So what I will do, I will try to bring the slider as well. Except slider we have got everything, and the website is perfect, and we got all the media files as well, and the perfect website is already here, but slider is definitely an integral part. So what I'll do, I will install the Revolution slider first, and let us go to the dashboard, because Revolution slider has been provided separately in the plugin pack, and we can install the plugins as and when required. So I'll add Revolution slider from the theme pack itself, and so Rev slider, yes, it is here. So I'm just installing the Revolution slider, and I'll import the demo again. It may bring the slider contents because it was not available, or it might have been imported, but as Revolution slider has not been installed yet, it is not showing up. So let us check this, and now Revolution slider has been installed. And the Revolution slider is being activated. It takes a bit time, I have seen in my experience. Okay, so we have installed the Revolution slider as well. Now just take a look of website whether slider is coming or not. Okay, so Revolution slider is installed, but demo hero not found. So it means slider is here, but yes, since we need to put the content on the slider, and I assume so slider has not been given separately. Licensing plugins has been given, but slider content has not been provided in the theme pack. So what I will do, I will try another trick, you can say, and I'll go to the Kata demo importer again, and since I have installed the Revolution slider, so the demo is already imported, and I will simply click on import again. It may bring the slider, in fact. So sliders has been selected here, so I'm importing again. It may bring the slider content. Okay, it is again. So process is running again, and we have selected the sliders. I believe sliders should be imported, and it should be set, but I am not sure. Let us see what happens. View website. Okay, and great, we got the slider as well. So it was so simple, and the complete website is here, and you have seen the installation was really smooth and easy. and there is nothing like technical things. So this is not a technical channel in fact. So I'm just uh, showing you the overview of theme, and it is not about the technology and all. So WordPress is itself a complete technology, and we have nothing to do with the technology. We are going to make our business website, and this is the purpose. And we got a wonderful website. It goes without saying, you are watching on the screen, the installation process was simple, and we got a stunning look and the modern design website, and you can choose any demo as you need, and everything is here only. So let us first preview the options what we got in this installation, and I will also show you how to customize the content as well. So some features, font manager and header sticky etc are sub pro version, so we are not using the pro version in this installation, but yes, we got the complete website, and we will simply check the options what is available here to understand how to edit the content of the website. And this is being the theme panel basically. So this is options and theme panel, you can say. And yes, it is, all things are available here, and this theme uses Elementor, so it is very easy to use the Elementor page editor, and you might be familiar about this. So using Elementor is a simple thing. It is just like Word, MS Word and all things. So site identity is here, and we can put our logo. So logo can be changed in header builder again. So this is a link for header builder, and Elementor generally provides the header builder options for the header areas. And yes, it is good. Logo can be changed from simply from here. Just click on the pencil icon in the header builder and you can change the logo. Transparent header logo and the main logo can be changed here, and rest portions of the header you can handle from here, like tag to talk to an expert and number, and so request a quote text can be changed from the header builder itself. So this is very important part that you have to do from the header builder. And the site title and rest of things, so web icons etc can be changed from this screen. Homepage setting again, so you can choose the homepage. And one thing is very good in this theme what I have seen, so it is not cluttering the extra images. So we just imported those images and those parts only which is actually required for our selected demo. It is very important. What so I will show in the media files, we have got only those images, 100 images however, that is required for this selected demo. It is not the complete set of images that is required for any of the demo. There are 108 demo websites available, and we are downloading the media files for all those websites which we are not using. That is not fair. So this is the quality of this theme, that it is giving you only those images that is actually being used at this website. So this is important, and this is actually going to make your website lighter and faster. It is good. And all pages we got, so we have only those pages which we are going to use. So in fact only home page has been provided in the demo content, and rest we have to make our own. So services is also here, and process. So some important pages has been given, so no doubt. About, contact, process and services pages are here, so you can, okay, so I believe so menu is also here. Okay, so these pages have been provided which are necessary for again. So about us page is also here. So it is really a stunning website, of course, it goes without saying, and I am recommending this for at least for a startup. It is very attractive and having a standard and modern look as well. Okay, so everything is here and nothing has been okay, so pages are here and we were actually previewing the theme options and contact and delete. So wow, okay, sorry, so we have to preview the options. So I'll go back to the dashboard and options. So we have already seen the site identity, homepage setting and header builder. So this is being the header builder section, navigation and container. So you can resize the desktop and laptop and tablet size, however it has been well set, so you don't need to do anything. Blog setting has been given, so basic settings for blog and blog builder is also a separate thing. So blog pages, footer builder, so again footer builder is here, so you can edit the footer content from the footer builder. So everything is set here. So again, if you want to change the footer logo and the footer elements, you can change it from footer builder. Okay, and again we can go back, exit to dashboard, and now footer we have seen. Add Google Fonts, so you can add new fonts as well. Advanced styling, okay, so you can change each and everything in the advanced styling. So like if you want to change the header and the block quote, I'm simply clicking on any so you can choose the color. It is a wonderful interface to have control on your website, so you can choose everything, text, background, display, size and everything. So all is in your own control, the styling, the designing, the colors and the fonts. This is a great thing. And again we can go back, menus are here, widgets, additions here, so every control is here only, and we are fine with the website and its contents, and everything has been provided in the demo itself. And we can go to the home page again and let us see how to edit the home page itself, just in case you wish to know how to edit with the Elementor. Just open the page that you want to edit, and I'll rather advise you to take a backup of page before you start the editing if you are new to Elementor. However, it is fine if you know how to use the Elementor page builder. And just open the page and hit on edit with Elementor. You shall be able to edit the content, and editing content with Elementor is always been easy, but you have to be very careful. You have to maintain the integrity of your website and don't click on those things for which you are not so sure, and use the same length content, text content, and images dimensions should be same, so that nothing gets disturbed on your website. Okay, so it is so simple. Just click on the area which you want to edit and click on the pencil icon, so you will be able to edit the content as and where required. So it is so simple, and edit the icon box and also things has been given. So it is everything has been advised or given in your control. Okay, great. So it is very simple. So I am also exploring all these options. So ultimately we got a wonderful website in this process, and it is very easy to use, as I can see. And this is being our final website, which is actually working very fast. So speed is the key for success of website, and this key is available in the Kata. Okay, and we have the control option as well, the request report, contact form. So you can create your website using Kata without any doubt, and there are multiple demo websites available, so you can choose any of these websites. You each and everything about this, the Kata WordPress theme, and you might have certain questions regarding this theme. Don't hesitate in asking any question in the comment section of this video, and you can follow the link given in the description of this video to get the theme. And the theme is also available in the pre-installed manner if you order the theme along with the hosting plan. So everything is for you, just you need to start building your website, and we are together to build your website. So let us meet on another video in which I am going to bring wonderful theme or plugin or a utility. Keep watching. Thank you.